Looking for budget-friendly meal prep ideas? Want to save time and money without sacrificing taste and health? Then you've come to the right place. We're here to guide you on a culinary journey that won't break the bank. We believe that good food doesn't have to be expensive, and a limited budget shouldn't limit the variety and quality of your meals. So let's embark on this tasty adventure together. Stay tuned as we delve into 20 budget-friendly meal prep ideas for healthy recipes. Before we dive into the recipes, let's touch base on some meal prep basics. Meal prep, in essence, is the concept of preparing your meals in advance. It might sound like a chore, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. It's all about planning and preparing meals for the week ahead, which can be as simple as chopping vegetables or as intricate as cooking and portioning out full meals. The benefits? Oh, they're numerous. Firstly, meal prepping can save you a ton of time during the week. No more scrambling to cook dinner after a long day. Secondly, it can also help in maintaining a balanced diet. You decide what goes into your meals after all. And let's not forget the money factor. Buying in bulk and cooking at home can significantly reduce food costs. With these basics in mind, we're ready to dive into our budget-friendly meal prep ideas. Let's kick things off with our first 5 budget-friendly meal prep ideas. First up, we have a classic. The egg and spinach breakfast burrito. You'll need a few simple ingredients: eggs, baby spinach, cheddar cheese, and whole grain tortillas. Start by scrambling your eggs with a handful of spinach until the spinach wilts. Sprinkle some cheese over your tortilla, add your egg-spinach mix, roll it up, and voila! A nutritious, inexpensive breakfast that's ready to go. Next, we're moving on to a lunch option: quinoa and black bean salad. This protein-packed meal requires cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, and a simple lime vinaigrette. Combine your cooked quinoa, drained black beans, corn, and halved cherry tomatoes. Toss it all together with the vinaigrette, and you have a filling, fiber-rich lunch that's easy on the wallet. Our third idea is a dinner dish: lemon garlic chicken with roasted veggies. Grab some boneless chicken breasts, a lemon, garlic, olive oil, and your favorite veggies. Marinate the chicken in a mixture of lemon juice, minced garlic, and olive oil. Spread your veggies on a baking sheet, toss them in the same lemon garlic marinade, and roast them in the oven. Once cooked, serve the chicken with the veggies, and you have a hearty dinner that's bursting with flavor. Fourth on our list is a snack option: Greek yogurt with mixed berries and granola. All you need is some Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and granola. Layer your Greek yogurt, berries, and granola in a jar or container. It's a quick, protein-rich snack that's both sweet and crunchy. And the best part? You can prepare it in advance and have it ready for when those mid-afternoon hunger pangs hit. Last but not least, we have a dessert: baked apples with cinnamon and oats. You'll need some apples, cinnamon, oats, and a touch of brown sugar. Core your apples and fill them with a mixture of cinnamon, oats, and brown sugar. Bake them until they're tender, and you have a warm, comforting dessert that's low in calories and high in fiber. And there you have it. Our first 5 meal prep ideas. From breakfast to dessert, these meals are not only budget-friendly but also nutritious and delicious. Remember, meal prep is all about making your life easier. So feel free to modify these recipes as per your dietary needs and taste preferences. With these first 5 ideas, we're off to a great start, but there's plenty more where that came from. Craving for more? Here are 5 more meal prep ideas to satisfy your taste buds and your wallet. Let's dive right into meal prep idea number 6. A classic, the tuna salad. For this, you'll need a can of tuna, some leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, a hard-boiled egg, and your favorite low-fat dressing. Drain the tuna, chop the tomatoes and egg, toss everything together, and voila! You have a protein-packed salad that's as colorful as it is delicious. Next up, at number 7, we have the veggie stir-fry. Grab a variety of vegetables: bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, whatever you fancy. Now heat a dash of olive oil in a pan, toss in your veggies, and stir-fry until they're tender crisp. Add in some soy sauce or teriyaki sauce for an extra kick. Serve this vibrant medley with brown rice for a wholesome, fiber-rich meal. Moving on to meal prep idea number 8, the quinoa and black bean salad. Start by cooking your quinoa. While it's simmering, rinse and drain a can of black beans. Once the quinoa is done, mix it with the black beans, some corn, diced tomatoes, and chopped cilantro. Dress it with lime juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This salad is a protein powerhouse and a tasty way to get your fiber in. Number 9 is a fun one: the breakfast burrito. Scramble some eggs, sauté bell peppers and onions, and warm up some black beans. Lay out a whole wheat tortilla, spread a spoonful of salsa, pile on your eggs, veggies, and beans, then sprinkle a little cheese. Roll it up, and you've got a hearty breakfast that's ready to grab and go. And finally, at number 10, we have the chickpea curry. Sauté onions and garlic, add in some curry powder and tomato paste, then stir in a can of chickpeas and a can of diced tomatoes. Let it simmer until the flavors meld together. Serve it over brown rice, and you've got a warm, comforting dish that's packed with protein and fiber. These meals are not only tasty but also easy on the pocket. Let's keep the momentum going with the next set of ideas. But before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the budget-friendly meal prep ideas we have in store for you. Let's continue on this delicious journey together. By now, you're probably a pro at meal prepping, so let's spice things up with the next 5 budget-friendly meal prep ideas. Our 11th idea is a classic: vegetable stir-fry with tofu. This dish is a medley of vibrant veggies and crispy tofu, all tossed in a tangy soy sauce. You'll need a block of firm tofu, a variety of your favorite vegetables, think bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and a bottle of soy sauce. Start by sautéing the tofu until it's golden and crispy. Then, add in your colorful array of vegetables and stir-fry until they're just tender. Drizzle with soy sauce, stir everything together, and voila, a tasty, healthy meal is served. Next up, we have the 12th idea: a hearty lentil soup. This one's a protein-packed, fiber-rich dish that's sure to keep you full and satisfied. You'll need green lentils, diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, onions, and a handful of your favorite spices. Begin by sautéing the onions, carrots, and celery until they're soft. Then, add in the lentils, diced tomatoes, and spices. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together. Idea number 13 is a fun one: stuffed bell peppers. With a filling of quinoa, black beans, corn, and a sprinkle of cheese, these peppers are a fiesta of flavors. Start by hollowing out the bell peppers and setting them aside. Cook your quinoa, then mix it with the black beans, corn, and cheese. Stuff this mixture into the bell peppers, bake until the peppers are tender, and you've got a meal that's as visually appealing as it is delicious. Moving on to idea 14, a simple yet satisfying Greek salad. This salad is fresh, crunchy, and bursting with Mediterranean flavors. You'll need romaine lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and a homemade dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Mix all the salad ingredients together, drizzle with the dressing, and give it a good toss. It's a refreshing meal that's perfect for those warm summer days. Last but not least, our 15th idea is a comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup. This soup is a classic for a reason. It's warm, comforting, and full of hearty ingredients. You'll need chicken breast, carrots, celery, onions, noodles, and chicken broth. Start by sautéing the onions, carrots, and celery, then add in the chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. Add in the broth and noodles, let it simmer until the noodles are tender, and there you have it, a bowl of comfort. These meals are sure to bring some variety to your weekly meal plan. But we're not done yet. For our final set, let's explore some more exciting budget-friendly meal prep ideas. Dive straight into the world of flavors with meal prep idea number 16, chili sin carne. This vegetarian spin on a traditional chili con carne is packed with kidney beans, bell peppers, and a hearty tomato base. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pot, then add in your bell peppers, kidney beans, and canned tomatoes. Season with chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Let it simmer until the flavors meld together. The best part? This dish can be frozen and reheated, making it a perfect choice for meal prep. Moving on to number 17, we have egg roll in a bowl. This deconstructed egg roll eliminates the deep-fried wrapper, focusing on the flavorful filling. Begin by sautéing ground turkey or tofu with garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Add shredded cabbage, carrots, and green onions. Then season with soy sauce and rice vinegar. It's a quick one-pan dish that brings all the flavors of your favorite takeout to your dinner table. Next up, we have sweet potato and black bean quesadillas for meal prep idea number 18. First, roast your sweet potatoes until they're soft and caramelized. Mix them with black beans, cheese, and a sprinkle of cumin. Spread this mixture onto a tortilla, top with another tortilla, and toast until crispy. Slice into wedges and pack with a side of salsa for a lunch that will make your coworkers jealous. Number 19 is a caprese pasta salad. This dish marries the classic flavors of a caprese salad with hearty pasta for a filling, budget-friendly meal. Cook your pasta of choice, then mix with cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and fresh basil. Drizzle over some balsamic glaze and olive oil, then season with salt and pepper. This pasta salad can be enjoyed cold, making it a perfect choice for those sweltering summer days. Lastly, for our 20th meal prep idea, we have chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Start by sautéing chicken breast pieces with garlic and ginger. Add in a colorful array of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Stir in soy sauce, honey, and a splash of sesame oil for a quick and easy dinner that's packed with protein and fiber. With these last 5 ideas, your meal prep game is sure to be on point. But before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. We started with chili sin carne, a hearty and budget-friendly vegetarian dish. Then we moved on to egg roll in a bowl, a deconstructed take on a classic takeout dish. After that, we explored sweet potato and black bean quesadillas, a creative and delicious lunch option. Then we whipped up a caprese pasta salad, a cold and refreshing meal perfect for hot summer days. And finally, we ended with a chicken and vegetable stir-fry, a simple and nutritious dinner idea. So there you have it, 20 budget-friendly meal prep ideas that are sure to spice up your weeknight dinners. Remember, the key to successful meal prep lies in creativity and variety. Don't be afraid to mix and match different ingredients and flavors to keep your meals exciting and delicious. Now go forth and conquer your kitchen. From hearty veggie bowls to delicious chicken wraps, we've covered a wide range of budget-friendly meal prep ideas. Every meal we've explored today is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a boon for your wallet, costing under $3 per serving. We started our journey with wholesome and satisfying veggie bowls, packed with a variety of nutrients and flavors. We then moved on to the versatile world of chicken wraps, which can be customized to suit any dietary preference or palate. Next, we delved into the comforting realm of soups and stews, showcasing how simple ingredients can be transformed into rich, hearty meals. We also discovered the magic of one-pot dishes, demonstrating how a single pot can yield an array of delicious and healthy dinners. Our exploration didn't stop there. We ventured into the vibrant world of salads, proving that they can be more than just a side dish. With the right combination of ingredients, a salad can be a full, satisfying meal in itself. We also learned that pasta doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. With whole grain options and a plethora of vegetables, pasta can be a nutritious and budget-friendly option. Next, we turned our attention to rice dishes. From spicy jambalaya to comforting risotto, we showed that rice can be a blank canvas for a variety of flavors and ingredients. Our journey then took us to the world of sandwiches and wraps. With endless combinations of breads, fillings, and spreads, these handheld meals can be as nutritious as they are delicious. Finally, we ended our culinary exploration with a look at breakfast for dinner options. From hearty omelets to fluffy pancakes, we proved that breakfast foods can make for satisfying, budget-friendly dinners. Each of these 20 meal prep ideas offers a balance of taste, nutrition, and affordability. They demonstrate that healthy, delicious food doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy a variety of meals throughout the week without straining your budget. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on budget-friendly meal prep. Until next time, happy meal prepping.